Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a count up and count down program and circuit using Arduino UNO. Let us now create our program. Here we start by setting our pins as constants. Next, we create our setup void where we set our constants as inputs or outputs. This part of our program is the basis of all the other voids in this program. We proceed by creating our loop void. In this part of our program, we set what are the functions and responses of our inputs and outputs. For example, when our switch 1 is pressed or low, it will increment. In this part of our program, we set what happens when switch 1 is pressed or will increment. When one segment reaches 10, the 10th digit will automatically add 1. While here we set what happens when switch 2 is pressed or will decrement. When the 1 segment is less than 1, it changes to 9, and same is true with the 10th digit. In this part of our program, we create a program to display the values. This program is specifically created for the 7-segment display. Now that we're done with the program, let's create the circuit. The materials and components needed for this circuit are breadboard, 2 tact switches, 2 7447 ICs, 2 220 ohms resistors, and 2 10K resistors, 2 7-segment display, and connecting wires. First, we place 2 7447 ICs and 7-segment displays and connect both VCC of both ICs to the positive rail of the breadboard and the ground to the negative rail. Next, we connect the common anode of the 7-segment displays to the positive rail through a 220 ohm resistor. We proceed by connecting the individual 7-segment pins A to G to the corresponding outputs of the 7447 ICs from pin 9 to pin 15. We also place the 2 switches on the board with one leg connected to the ground and the other leg to the positive rail through a 10K resistor. And we connected the BCD inputs A to D of each 7447 to 4 digital pins on the Arduino. We also connected the tact switch to 2 pins on the Arduino board. Lastly, we connected the 5-volt output of the Arduino to the positive rail of the board and the ground to the negative rail. That we're done, we connect our Arduino to our PC and upload the program. To verify and upload the program, we click the check and right arrow button above. Let's see if it works. As you can see, as I press switch 1, it increments or counts up at 2 kHz frequency. Here you will see that when it reaches 99, it will return to 0. Now, as I press switch 2, it decrements or counts down. The video is now playing in 2.5 speed, but the frequency is still 2 kHz. As it reaches 00, it will return to 99. Thank you for watching.